Stretching across 7 countries in South America, the Andes Mountains boast a diverse and remarkable ecosystem, home to an array of unique animals adapted to the region's challenging environments. Among these species, some stand out not only for their fascinating behaviors, but also for their critical roles within this ecosystem. One of the most iconic animals of the Andes is the Andean Condor, a massive bird with a wingspan that can reach over 10 feet, making it one of the largest flying birds in the world. These majestic scavengers play a vital role in their environment, feeding on carrion and helping to clean up the ecosystem. Known for their impressive gliding ability, condors often ride thermal currents for hours, scanning the rugged terrain for food. They are revered in Andean culture, symbolizing strength and freedom. But their populations have been declining due to habitat loss and poisoning, making conservation efforts increasingly urgent. Sharing the skies with the condor is the Andean Flamingo, a vibrant wader that graces the high-altitude salt flats and lagoons. With their pale pink plumage and long legs, these flamingos are perfectly adapted to the harsh conditions of their environment. They feed primarily on algae and small crustaceans, using their specialized beaks to filter food from the mineral-rich waters. Andean flamingos are considered vulnerable due to habitat degradation and climate change, but their presence is crucial in maintaining the balance of these fragile ecosystems. Moving from the skies to the rocky cliffs, we find the Andean Mountain Cat, one of the rarest and most elusive felines on Earth. This small, greyish predator is perfectly camouflaged to blend into its mountainous surroundings. Feeding primarily on chinchillas and viscachas, the Andean mountain cat is an apex predator within its habitat. Despite its importance, very little is known about this solitary species due to its remote habitat and nocturnal nature. It is classified as endangered, with fewer than 2,500 individuals estimated to remain in the wild. Another remarkable predator of the Andes is the Puma, a large and adaptable feline found throughout the mountain range. Known as the ghost of the Andes, the puma preys on a wide variety of animals, from deer to rodents, playing a critical role in controlling prey populations. These big cats are highly adaptable, capable of thriving at altitudes of up to 14,000 feet. However, they are often in conflict with human populations, as they occasionally target livestock, leading to retaliatory killings. In the lower slopes and valleys of the Andes, the spectacled bear emerges as a symbol of South American wildlife. This shy and solitary bear is the only bear species native to South America and is easily recognized by the unique cream-colored markings around its eyes. Spectacled bears are primarily herbivorous, feeding on fruits, bromeliads and other vegetation, but they occasionally supplement their diet with small animals. They play an essential role in seed dispersal, helping to maintain the biodiversity of the Andean forests. Despite their ecological importance, habitat destruction and poaching have led to significant population declines. Among the Andes' smaller inhabitants, the Viscacha stands out for its agility and resemblance to a rabbit. These rodent-like animals are commonly found on rocky outcrops where they use their powerful hind legs to leap between boulders with ease. Viscachas are social creatures, often seen in groups sunbathing during the day. They feed on grasses and mosses, contributing to the flow of energy through their ecosystem. Their populations are relatively stable, but they remain important prey for predators like the Andean mountain cat and puma. Another unique rodent, the chinchilla, is well known for its incredibly soft fur, which sadly led to severe overhunting in the past. Found at high altitudes, chinchillas are nocturnal and live in burrows to escape the harsh temperatures of their environment. They feed on vegetation and play a role in soil aeration through their burrowing activity. Once nearly hunted to extinction, conservation measures have helped stabilize some populations, but they remain listed as critically endangered. In the wet Paramo grasslands of the Andes, the spectacled frog thrives in one of the most biodiverse amphibian habitats on the planet. These frogs are integral to the health of their ecosystem, feeding on insects and acting as prey for birds and reptiles. Amphibians like the spectacled frog are vital indicators of environmental health, but they face significant threats from pollution, habitat loss, and diseases like chytridiomycosis, which has decimated amphibian populations worldwide. Among the high-altitude plains, or punyas, the graceful vicuña is a common sight. These relatives of the llama are highly valued for their fine wool, which is among the most luxurious fibers in the world. Vicuñas are adapted to the harsh, arid conditions of the Andes, with thick coats and the ability to survive on sparse vegetation. Once hunted to near extinction, strict conservation programs have led to their recovery, and they are now sustainably managed in many regions. Finally, we turn to the Andean fox, a cunning and adaptable predator that thrives in a variety of habitats within the mountain range. Known for its reddish-grey coat and bushy tail, the Andean fox preys on small mammals, birds, and reptiles, playing a key role in controlling populations of these species. It is also an opportunistic scavenger, which helps reduce waste in its environment. Despite occasional conflicts with humans, this resilient animal has managed to maintain stable populations throughout much of its range. The Andes Mountains are a testament to nature's resilience and diversity. These 10 animals are just a glimpse of the incredible life forms that inhabit this vast and rugged mountain range. Each species contributes to the intricate web of life, showcasing the delicate balance that defines this unique ecosystem. As threats like habitat loss and climate change continue to challenge their survival, protecting the Andes and its wildlife is more important than ever.